Namaste and welcome to our new series where we delve into the transformative power of mantras. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or someone just beginning their spiritual journey, understanding mantras can open the door to deeper meditation, inner peace, and spiritual growth. So, what exactly is a mantra? The word mantra is derived from two Sanskrit words, manas meaning mind and tra meaning tool or instrument. Essentially, a mantra is a tool for the mind, a powerful sound or phrase that helps to focus, calm, and channel your inner energy. Mantras have been used for thousands of years in various spiritual traditions, most notably in Hinduism and Buddhism. These sacred sounds are believed to carry vibrational energy that can influence our mental, emotional, and physical states, aligning us with the deeper rhythms of the universe. But how do mantras work? When we chant a mantra, we are not just uttering a word, we are activating a vibrational frequency. Each mantra resonates with specific energies, and when chanted with intention, it can bring about profound changes in our state of mind and consciousness. Modern science supports this ancient wisdom. Studies have shown that chanting mantras can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and even change brainwave patterns, promoting a state of relaxation and focus. The repetition of these sounds create a rhythmic vibration that soothes the nervous system, quiets the mind, and enhances mental clarity. Mantras comes in various forms and serve different purposes. In Hindu tradition, we often categorize them into Vedic and Tantric mantras. Vedic mantras are ancient hymns from the Vedas used in rituals and prayers. Tantric mantras, on the other hand, are more mystical, often used for specific purposes like healing, protection, or spiritual awakening. Each mantra carries a specific meaning and energy. For example, the Om mantra, considered the primordial sound of the universe, is used to align oneself with the cosmic vibration. The Gayatri mantra invokes the divine light for guidance, while the Mahamrityunjay mantra is chanted for healing and protection. Chanting mantras is not just about repeating words, it's about connecting with the energy behind the sound. To get the most out of your mantra practice, it's important to sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. As you chant, feel the vibrations in your body and let them guide you into a deeper state of awareness. A mala or prayer beads can be a helpful tool for keeping count and staying focused. Simply move one bead for each repetition of the mantra. This practice is called japa, and it's a wonderful way to deepen your connection to the mantra and its energy. Mantras are incredibly versatile. You can use them during meditation to calm your mind, at the beginning or end of your yoga practice, or even as part of your daily routine to set a positive intention for the day. With regular practice, mantras can become a powerful anchor in your life, helping you to navigate challenges with grace and clarity. In the upcoming videos, we will explore specific mantras, their meanings, and how you can incorporate them into your spiritual practice. Whether you are seeking peace, protection, or spiritual growth, there is a mantra for every need. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this introduction has sparked your curiosity about the power of mantras. If you are eager to dive deeper, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Let's explore the transformative power of sound together. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single sound. Namaste.